Alright folks, today I'm gonna show you how to make this awesome looking salmon grilled cheese sandwich. And you know what that means? Of course you know. It's time to grill. So this sandwich is a long time on my bucket list, and it consists of salmon, some cheese, Brie in this case, fig, mustard, 4 slices of Texas bread, or in German we call this one toast, a knife, and some fish and butter seasoning. So we're gonna get started with 2 teaspoons of that sauce. Of course, fresh figs would be great as well. I don't get any, so I decided to take the mustard version here. So it's easy enough. In Germany you will get these in combination, very good. So we only have to add 2 slices of salmon here, and then we're gonna take some of that great fish and butter seasoning I created with my local spice dealer called spicebar.de, and then we're gonna take a sharp knife and we're gonna cut away some of that cheese. This is Brie. Brie is a French cheese. You might have heard about that. It has a stuffing inside. You won't need that. It's fun to have. It's like a cream cheese with some herbs in it, but normal Brie would work fine as well. So that was the first one. I'm gonna speed the other one up a little bit. Take some of that fig mustard sauce here, 2 slices of salmon. Fair enough. Smoked salmon works best. Of course, you can smoke salmon by yourself. There are a lot of videos up on YouTube. I will make one soon as well. 2 or 3 pieces of that great cheese. And then take it off. I'm gonna throw this one on the grill. So today it's time for my German high quality Schickling Grill. We're gonna preheat this one for medium direct heat here, and we're gonna take the complete piece here, and we're gonna add a second slice of bread on top, and then you need something heavy like that, cast iron panini press, burger press, whatever the original name of that one is. I'm gonna let this grill for approximately 4 to 5 minutes until it's golden brown on one side. Of course, you can add some butter to the bread or fresh olive oil, so it gives a nice color, but this one works perfect just without that. So what does this tool make? It smashes the 2 pieces of bread completely, so no juices are running out, and now you have the nice moment where you have all the cheese and all the juices of the ingredients complete in the middle. So of course we're gonna grill 2 of these. We will now cut into one and see how it did. As you can see here, the cheese is completely inside. It has a nice consistency now. It melts a little bit. We're gonna have a look at the second one as well. And this is a nice crispy sandwich. For me, this combination is perfect, but I will tell you more later while trying this one live with the live footage I made. So make sure to subscribe. Please hit that like button if you like this one so far. I will put the exact amount of ingredients into the video description. As always, you can check it out there. Please share with your friends if you want to show this. It would be really cool if you give this recipe a shot. Just let me know in the comments how it turns out. I really like feedback about people grilling my recipe ideas. So I'm ready with the final pick of that sandwich. I will leave you with the original footage. Thanks so far. I'm almost out. So, kommen wir zum Fazit. Also ich muss sagen, das habe ich mir jetzt nicht selber ausgedacht, ne? Feige, Senf, Lachs und Camembert oder Brie in irgendeiner Kombination oder in irgendeiner Art in Kombination ist natürlich eigentlich ein klassisches Sandwich. Ich finde es richtig geil. Macht auf dem Schickling Grill nochmal doppelt Spaß. Alright folks, I'm gonna give this a shot right now. I guess the combination of thick salmon, kind of Camembert cheese, Brie is not my own idea, but that's one of the most perfect sandwiches I ever made. I like it. It's really crispy, it's golden brown, it's warm, it's juicy, and the combination of sweet and salty for me is the best. Yeah, if you like this video, please hit that like button, thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, while clicking on the 0815 barbecue logo coming on this part of the screen. I would like to thank you for watching, of course. As always, please check the link in the video description. We're seeing us again in the upcoming weeks. Make sure to check out my Instagram account or my Facebook account as well. I'm gonna give this a shot right now. Listen to that one. Thanks for watching. Oh, amazing. Schön.